The Nervous System by Lavi Engler
and Cheyenne Bowman. Cheyenne, what is the nervous system?
Well, Lavi, the nervous system is the total amount of nerves which are responsible for involuntary and voluntary nervous functions. It distributes and gathers information for the body.
The nervous system is broken down into two parts:
the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. The peripheral nervous system is broken down into two other parts: the somatic nervous system and the autonomic nervous system.
Hey, I can't stop my feet. Ebony and ivory and dancing in the street. Hey, it's 'cause of you.
Lavi, please tell me how you're feeling after hitting that.
My blood vessels are becoming very narrow. I really don't know what to do.
12 seconds later.
So now, Lavi, after all this commotion, how are you feeling?
Well, now that I have recovered from the shock, my heart rate decreases, my blood vessels are widening, and my salivation increases.
There we have it.
The brain has four lobes. The frontal, which controls parts of speech, planning, reasoning, movement, and emotions. The temporal lobe, which controls language understanding, memory, and speech.
The occipital lobe, which controls visual processing, and the parietal lobe, which controls movement, orientation, recognition, and taste. The cerebellum coordinates movement, posture, and balance.
Can you tell me the brain lobes in German?
The brain lobes in German?
Yes.
If I were to guess, I would say the frontal would be the frontal. I would guess the temporal, located right about here, would be the temporal. Occipital, located right about here, occipital. And then, of course, we have the other one, the fourth one, the one that I'm killing time, because I can't remember it.
Thank you.
Parietal. Okay. Here are the most important parts of the brain. Feel free to read them on your own.
Sleep is essential to our nervous system. It has distinct cycles and stages that refresh our body and restore energy. Sleep influences our mood, health, and physical vitality. The quality of sleep affects the quality of our waking life. There are two main types of sleep: non-rapid eye movement, known as NREM or quiet sleep, and rapid eye movement, known as REM or rapid sleep.
There are 5 stages of sleep. Each are important for getting a good night's sleep.
Here you can see the different stages of sleep from the time you fall asleep and begin dreaming.
So why is sleep even important? I only get 6 hours of sleep every night.
Well, Cheyenne, neurons repair themselves during sleep. The brain is involved in the activities of dreaming. And the brain also needs energy to produce hormones and to function properly. Cheyenne, this slide may be important to you. You know you have a sleeping disorder when
you have difficulty staying awake during the day, feel like you have to nap almost every day, have difficulty concentrating and doing various activities such as reading or watching TV. You might fall asleep while working or driving and react slowly. Here are 3 typical but serious sleeping disorders that many people encounter.
Cheyenne, do you remember what short-term memory and long-term memory is? Because I don't.
Of course I do. Short-term memory is the ability to retain information which may not seem very important for a short period of time. And long-term memory is the storage of information over a longer period of time.
What is Alzheimer's?
Well, Mr. Weaver, Alzheimer's is a disease that destroys memory and thinking skills.
Around 5.1 million Americans are affected.
Scientists believe that this disease results from the decreased production of the protein... that word.
It is most likely to appear at the age of 60.
The most common cause is dementia, which is the loss of cognitive thinking and remembering.
As the Alzheimer's disease progresses, neurons lose their ability to function and die and brain tissues shrink.
Alzheimer's is no joke.
Mr. Leonard, what do you associate with the nervous system?
Cognition through tactile senses.
Very good answer. Katie, what do you associate with the nervous system?
I associate pain and feelings of touch with the nervous system.
What do you associate with the nervous system?
Pain.
What do you guys associate with the nervous system?
I have no clue.
No clue.